this is the first look of the potato sandwich that we are going to make today. For this, I have taken 5 to 6 medium-sized boiled potatoes that we need to boil, then 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger and 1 cup coriander leaves, all finely chopped. Then we will need 2 tomatoes and 2 onions finely chopped. Now mash the boiled potatoes. Mash them properly and set them aside. Now in a pan, add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, then add in half a tablespoon of mustard and cumin seed once the oil is heated. Then once they start crackling, add in the chopped tomatoes. Saute them well. Then after some time, we are going to add in the garlic and ginger. Saute them well. And once they turn golden, I am going to add in the chopped tomatoes. Then we will cook for another 5 minutes until the raw smell of the tomato goes off. Then I am going to add in salt as per taste, half a tablespoon of turmeric, half a tablespoon of cumin powder. Give it a good stir. I am going to mash them properly. Now once they are nicely cooked, I am going to add in the mashed potatoes. Mix them well. Now I am going to add the chopped coriander leaves. Now I will fry it in high flame for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, now they are nicely done. Now I am going to spread in the cooked potatoes on a sandwich bread. Now I am going to add in tomato chili sauce. I am going to spread it evenly. Then I am adding in sliced cucumber and onions. Feel free to add in any other fresh or pickled veggies as per your choice. This is just the blueprint and you can also add in cheese or mayonnaise as per your choice. Now I am going to sprinkle in some Italian seasoning. Cover the breads and then I am going to toast it on a pan. I am toasting it dry. You can also toast it with some butter. Now I am turning the sides. We are going to cook both the sides until they are golden brown. And now they are done. And the super quick, super easy aloo sandwich is done. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.